Includes electric water dispenser with water dispenser instruction manual. An inline water filter and QR code instruction manual. A water dispenser mini fridge. A mini fridge water reservoir. Step 1. Insert the pointed end of the filter into the tubing of your water dispenser. Plug in fridge to power source of choice and flip switch to cold. Unscrew cap of water reservoir and fill with water. Press screw reservoir cap and insert into fridge. Clip tube connector into reservoir. Place fridge standing upright below where you'll place your water dispenser. Clip the female connector of fridge tubing onto the male end of the water filter. Dispense fresh and filtered water at the touch of a button.